Have you had your outrageous and contagious joy juice today? When your heart is full of joy, there's no room for much else, except maybe love and gratitude. When you're overflowing with the joy of the Lord, you don't have time nor desire to grumble and complain. I'm pretty sure that's where Paul was coming from when he wrote in Philippians 2, verses 14 and 15, "Do everything without complaining or arguing, so that you may become blameless and pure, children of God without fault in a crooked and depraved generation, in which you shine like stars in the universe." How often do we find ourselves grumbling about the weather? When we do, we should be aware that we're criticizing God's ordering of creation. What about when we complain about problems on the job or an unexpected situation? Are we implying that God isn't handling our affairs very well? Instead of complaining or questioning, let's understand that God has a plan and He loves us. It's impossible to keep an eye out for God's blessings while harboring a complaining spirit. When we grumble and complain, we're blocking our expectation of good things, and we'll probably miss seeing them when they do come. In order to be an outrageously joyful Christian with a contagious spirit of love for the Lord, remember to do everything without complaining, so that you will shine like stars in the universe. This is Joyce Ashley of Joy Joy Ministries, praying that we will find the joy in this new day and shine His love into the lives of everyone we meet.
For more joyful encouragement, resources, and booking information, contact Joyce via her website, joyjoyministries.com, or go to Joy Joy Ministries on Facebook.